September 15th, 2023. I'm finally printing the key block of 5 background color proofs I printed, it might be a couple of years ago by now, of the my 1976 woodcut print I did in Carbondale. Oops, on the move here. Let's move that back. Big twist band at Merlin's. These are actually different color-wise than some of the ones I printed years ago. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna finish this. Let's see if it has enough ink. God, I was 26 when I did this. Now I'm 73. Whoosh, where does the time go? It's almost Rosh Hashanah, Jewish New Year, birth of the world. I gotta get this printed. Well, just about. That looks pretty good. All right, there you have it. 5 proofs. And happy birth of the world. Shana Tova in Hebrew. Happy New Year to all, regardless of faiths, backgrounds, ethnicities, this, that, and the other. Okay, Sep15.